What's up with the red room, homeboy? Let's do this at the phone time, homeboy. I guarantee it. You ready? Let's do this, homeboy. Get some of that Boston crab, motherfucker. Believe that. I guarantee it. Let's go, homeboy. Time to place, homeboy. Let's see it. Time to break a line in the face right now, bitch ass niggas. Get some. Break your face now, motherfucker. Let's go. Break a line in the face. That's what you talk about, homeboy. Word up. Red room, you about to be on, off the hook. There you go. Let's do this. Money, man. Gotta get that money, man. Accelerator's off the hook, you know what I mean? Get some, homeboy, I guarantee it. A big fat zero, a bitter pill, a new twist, the deep six. Let's go. Pop off time, motherfucker. Believe that, bitch. Let's go with pop off, homeboy. I guarantee it. Word up. Time to run away. Red room is about that time. Off the hook, homeboy. Word up. Yeah.
Don't give me no sass or I'll kick your ass.
Get some. Hanging chokehold. Here I go, homeboy. Woo-hoo. Get some. I'm gonna see it. You're about to be on and set it off right now, motherfucker. Boom. Here we go with that motherfucker. Running away, bitch. You yellow bastard. Come back here and take what's coming to you for the push-up punches. I'm about to bite those legs off. Let's go with that push-up punch. Some talk about him, boy. Word up. Yeah.